You're watching Foxtecc. Today I'll show you how to arrange your iPhone home screen to better fit the way you use your device. Start by tapping and holding on any empty space or app icon until all the apps start jiggling. This puts your phone into edit mode. From here, you can drag any app around to rearrange them in whatever order works best for you on that page. If you want to move an app to another page, just drag it to the edge of the screen and hold it there until the page changes. If you want to organize things further, you can create folders by dragging one app onto another. Once the folder is created, just tap the name field to rename it to something more useful. If there's an app you don't want on your home screen but don't want to delete, tap the minus icon and choose Remove from Home Screen. The app will still be available in your app library. For more control, tap the row of page dots at the bottom of the screen. This opens up a zoomed out view where you can rearrange entire home screen pages or hide the ones you don't use. Don't forget about the dock at the bottom of your screen. This is a great spot for your most used apps, and you can rearrange those too during jiggle mode. When you're done making changes, tap Done in the top right corner or press the Home button if your iPhone has one. That's it. Your home screen is now customized to match your routine and preferences. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.